Ayan, sir, Rudy Corro, sir, of
Morning.
Regenerative
Universal Microbes.
Universal Microbes. Ayun, sir. So, ito yung mga products po ninyo. This is the composting setup or
Starter kit
starter
for
kit.
kitchen waste composting.
Okay, this is for, ito po, sir, yung starter kit 2.
Yes, yes.
And then, yung starter
This
kit
is
1,
the
smaller lang.
yeah. This is 4-liter pail, puro organico or bokashi brand, and this is the 20-liter fermenting bin. This is the 1 kilogram molasses.
Molasses.
And our microbial inoculant or micro life enhancer, the Regenerative Universal Microbes. It's in a 1-liter bottle.
Yun. So, how long nyo po ginagawa na to? Yung rum, kano katagal na po siya?
Mga 2 years na tayo, pero I've been doing the research and all the past many years na.
So rum has been around for 2 years,
Yes.
but the research has been for several years, like
The technology with the microbes, it's been in the 1980s pa. And I tweaked it with our scientists from UP Los Baños. They invented or found out our good microbes. So I incorporated the 1980s technologies with our new discoveries on microorganisms to remediate and harness our environment.
Sir, you mentioned UP, UP Los Baños.
UP Los Baños. Yeah, I came from UP Los Baños and I'm also an agriculturist.
From UP Los Baños, sir, kayo?
Yes, yes.
Formerly, ano sir, position or this?
No, I graduated in UP Los Baños.
You graduated
And
from
since
there.
then, I worked into many agricultural projects.
Yung course nyo po sa UP is?
BS, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture.
Talagang agriculture talaga. And this is your, kumbaga, ito yung pinaka, dito kayo nag-focus
Yes, yes.
sa composting.
I've passion on microorganisms, biology, chemistry, and physics. So right now I'm into researching on the physics of microorganism, and we found out that our microbes has this wavelength or resonance, that can be, if we harness this, then it's good to remediate the environment, especially the soils, polluted soil, air and water. So I saw that a living system like soil, water and air should have the good microbes, lalo na ngayon na sinira natin yung kalikasan with the harmful chemicals that we're using every day sa household, papunta sa ating mga river system, bodies, lalo na sa soil, at yung conventional method ng agriculture na ginagamit natin ngayon na hindi talaga sustainable dahil sa paggamit ng mga pesticide, mga harmful chemicals, yung mga good microbes sa environment nawawala na. And therefore, yung biodiversity nila and the ecosystem, the life sa ground, like the insects, the animals, and especially its effects on human, ay namumroblema. So ngayon, gusto nating ibalik yung mga good microbes sa kalikasan para sila ang mag-dominate. And so that it can rectify and purify the environment, which are the things that we live in.
You mentioned, sir, pagkasira ng kalikasan, di ba? Is this one of the reasons bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng mga flash floods, yung mga ganyan,
Yes.
di ba?
For example, yung ating dito sa Marikina, malapit tayo dito sa Pasig, yung ating riverbanks dyan. Kapag malakas ang bagyo o yung ulan, parati na tayo naka-experience ng floods and all, because mainly yung quarrying and logging, illegal logging especially, doon sa mga kabundukan natin. And doon sa riverbanks naman natin, hindi na natin sila fino-fortify ng mga model sana like food forest, kung saan meron tayong mga flood barrier sa riverbanks. Bagkus, ginawa natin to ng mga subdivision, mga housing projects, na yung mga daluyan ng tubig at yung mga puno na sana makahold ng ating soil sa river banks ay nawala na. So what do we expect, no? Kaya paulit-ulit lang ito mangyayari. Kaya kami sa RAM, we have a regenerative projects wherein we develop a food forest project on our river banks, and especially doon sa ating mountainous area sa Sierra Madre na nakakalbo at kinakalbo pa. So kailangan natin magtanim ng marami at gumawa ng mga proyekto na kaya-aya, and sana makatulong yung mga microbial inoculants natin to develop this ecosystem. Siyempre, pag gumawa tayo ng agroforestry program, magsisimula tayo sa seedlings. So, we recommend na we use the RAM micro enhancer to germinate the seeds efficiently. No, pwede siyang maka-create ng growth para sa ating mga seeds, and it can develop a good seedling stock for our agroforestry projects.
Ayun. You mentioned nga po doon sa previous webinar that you'll be having a food forest project.
Yes.
Can you tell us more about it?
For now, we are engaging into partnership with the community. So we have recently a partnership with Matandang Balara Barangay, the LGU. And before that, we partner with an Agri-First program. Ito naman yung bio-intensive gardening sa Barangay Balara. And since naapektuhan yung isang sitio, no, na malapit sa riverbank doon sa Quezon City na ay katapat yung Tumana Barangay sa Marikina, we decided to develop a flood barrier, which is a food forest project. That would be agroecology project, no, coupled with biointensive gardening, kasi meron dong vacant lot na 5 hectares. Nagkaroon kami ng MOA with the lot owner. Binigyan kami ng 1 hektarya bago po ito mag-flash flood doon, So, pero right now we are siguro stretch na mas mahigit na 2-3 kilometro yung ating i-fortify for a food forest program doon sa Matandang Balara.
And this product will be part of the project?
Yes. So, nung nag-ocular visit kami, walang pinili yung baha, May mga community na mahirap, meron ding executive village, na nalubog dun sa baha. So, this will be a combination of the barangay council together with Kapitan Alan Franza and the HOA, ng executive village, and the people's organization in Matandang Balara.
Ayun. Sir, tell us more about your starter kit. So, for this example, this one is starter kit 2. So, how much?
Yeah, this starter kit will cost you, for now, it's 1,950. But we have a promo. We can give it to you as a Christmas promo at 1,500. So this is our Bukashi brand. We call it Buro Organico, meaning organic, fermented organic matter. This is bran based. We use rice bran, and this is our inoculant for fermenting our kitchen waste in our bin. So this is our fermenting bin. Yung mga basura po ninyo, batches by batches, imbis na itapon po natin sa basurahan or papuntang landfill, kukolektahin na lang po natin dito, batch by batch ilagay dito, and then we sprinkle the Buro Organico for every batch. And pag napuno na, isasarado po natin siya, and then we ferment for 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, we can collect, we call that Buro Organico tea or Bukashi tea with, meron na pong mga good microbes. So, pwede nating magamit pang spray sa plants, dilution with unchlorinated water, 1:200 ratio. Or you can remediate, or you can throw it in the sink or bowl, sa toilet bowl, para ma-clean niya yung pipes hanggang sa septic tank. So ito naman po ang ating ram and molasses. In combination ng 1 liter and 1 kilogram, we can activate our ram, and with water, 18 liters. So we can develop it into 20 liters na activated microbial inoculant. Ano? So you can also spray this sa ating halaman as sanitizer, no, para sa bahay, panglinis sa floor tiles, sa toilet, maganda siya as deodorizer, no? Kahit sa pets, yung pupo and pipi ng pets, kaya niya i-remediate. Yung mga mababaho sa area nyo, pwede rin sa kwarto, i-spray nyo para yung mga good microbes, yung carrier ng pathogens, ay ma-neutralize ng ating good microbes from the RAM and makakreate tayo ng magandang environment sa ating area.
Ayun, okay. And also, you mentioned it's also has a starter kit one na mas
mas
maliit lang ang size.
1.5 liter.
1.5 liter. So, mas maliit yung bucket, yung pinakalalagyan niya. Ayun. And that costs us
150 pesos only.
Mhm.
This one is 300.
No, I mean the entire set. Starter kit
one
1.
is 1,750 for starter kit 1 with the 1.5 liter brand.
And sir, yung 4 liter is good enough for this.
The 1.5 liter is good enough for one batch of 20 liter kitchen waste.
Okay.
So this will take you around mga
So, sobra-sobra.
3 batches siguro. 3 or 4 batches.
Okay.
So, yung kitchen waste, batch per batch, say, yung inyong almusal, tanghalian at hapunan, kapag naipon nyo na sa isang ice cream box, ilagay nyo dito sa gabi, and then bubudburan nyo ng mga 10 tablespoonful ng bran. No? Paikot dun sa basura, and then kinabukasan ulit, ilagay nyo yung next batch ng inyong basura hanggang sa mapuno siya.
So again sir, why do you have to collect it sa isang ice cream tub muna bago nyo ilagay dyan? Hindi po pwedeng diretso?
Pwede pong diretso, but
You're trying to minimize the opening?
Yeah, the opening. Kasi ang ating system po pala ay isang anaerobic, no? Meaning walang air. Gusto ng ating mga microbes, kasi fermenting microbes sila, gusto nila na no oxygen. So, we are, di ba yung composting, may composting din na sa labas lang, hinahayaan natin mabulok yung mga leaves, yung basura. But this time, you can do it inside the house, no? With the fermenting bin, it's covered, and it's a deodorizer. So, yung basura po natin, kahit mga 7 araw na, kaya pa nating maamoy, no? So, it can remediate foul odor caused by bad microbes po yun. So, ang ating mga good microbes, kaya niyang isuppress yung mga bad microbes na nagkukos ng bad odor.
So sir, ang kanina mention mo, you tweaked something, so you tweaked this and this because this has been a technology since the 80s po.
Yes,
you mentioned.
And there are many uses, you know. So I concocted and give a different process of fermentation. Maraming process ng fermentation. I also use salt, no, in the solution, the liquid solution, to mimic the seawater environment, because as we know, the seawater is a potential conductor of life. Doon nagsimula po, no, ang maraming buhay. Kahit yung tao, sabi nila sa evolution, yung single-celled bacteria, galing po tayo sa ocean, and then nagkaroon ng reptiles at nagkaroon ng mga insects and animals na roving sa land. And ang seawater po with salt, which is 1 to 3% salt in water, ay nakaka-create ng maraming formation of life. So, ang isang technique po na ginawa ng RAM is to develop the solution in a seawater compound. No? And may mga dinagdag po tayo ng mga beneficial fungi na mga current discoveries ng ating mga scientists din, ano, kasi gusto natin yung mga Filipino inventions din natin, discoveries, ay mapakinabangan din ng mga Pilipino.
Ayan sir, so final question, how do they get in touch with you?
We have our FB page for now. It's at facebook.com Regenerative Universal Microbes PH. And then in 2 weeks of time, we will upload our website. So it will be regenerativeuniversalmicrobes.com. And we also will launch our website on the regenerative projects. Ano? And also we will be doing our, we call it RAM Academy. It's a learning site where the science of microorganism we will put there. And the regenerative project would include the application of this as sanitation solution for agriculture, for livestock, aquaculture, poultry, bio-environmental remediation, and wastewater treatment. So yung application, doon din po namin ipapakita sa inyo kung gaano ka-effective yung ating solution. It's an ecology solution para sa mga Pilipino. All natural, hindi po ito genetically modified. Ito po ay naturally occurring good microbes. And we are offering this to our kababayans, para ma-develop natin ang sense of our love for the environment, and starting with the microbes, the one that we cannot see. Pero sila po, when we advocate for biodiversity, hindi lang po itong nasa ground na nakikita natin, mga insects, mga butterflies, mga halaman, mga trees, pati rin po ang mga microbes. Kailangan po natin silang paramihin yung mga good microbes lalo sa environment para ma-develop yun ng buo ang ating ng balanse, ng holistic at sustainable ang ating ecology. Thank you po.
Ayun. Sir, one last thing, meron kami iconic shout out. On the count of 3, sigaw kayo ng What's Up Pilipinas, and then invite them to visit your page and then try your products. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas? Hi, we are from the Regenerative Universal Microbes. We are encouraging you to visit our FB page at Regenerative Universal Microbes PH, and you can see there how an agroecology solution with a microbial inoculant and microbial enhancer can develop our ecosystem to make it balanced, holistic, and sustainable. See you there, Regenerative Universal Microbes PH. Thank you.
Thank you.